Alaikum, welcome to the Muslim Converse channel. This is a brief tutorial on how to use the site. If you look at the right side, you'll find an icon that says register. You can't see it on my recording because I'm already logged in, but essentially registering allows you to receive updates from the site and share messages with other members of the site. Over here you can see where you receive a message, right, from another member. Here's login and logout. Over here is settings, where you can update your profile. Over here you'll find search, where you can search anything on the site. You'll have Q&A with a Muslim scholar, message board, flashcards. I'll go over these towards the end of the tutorial. If you come down here, getting started, this is an introduction to the Muslim Converse channel, where here you'll learn about what the site is about, what MCC is about. Over here is how to learn and use the site, which is essentially the video that you're watching right now. Over here is further knowledge, ask a Muslim scholar, where you will be presented with other sources to further increase your knowledge of Islam or ask questions. You will be referred to MaulanaOnline.com, where you can ask any question you want about Islam from Maulana Nabi Raza Abidi. Over here is basic instructions for converts. Let's click on it. Here you'll learn how to do wudu. If you click on the hyperlink here, you'll be directed towards a video. Major ablution, ghusl, call to prayer, the adhan, how to pray the 5 daily prayers. Again, these are all external links to videos on how to perform the prayer. Fasting in the month of Ramadan and how to perform the Hajj. Over here is learning, core curriculum, special topics. Core curriculum here is the major subjects of Islam, from God, Religion, Islam Introduction, Islamic Theology, all the way to sects and conflicts. Let's click on one. Here you can see 5 topics under this section. Let's click on God, Allah, and Religion.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Over here you can see the abstract. Below here you can choose to watch the full video, or you can watch the summary video. So this is 3 minutes and 57 seconds. The shorter one is 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Sometimes you'll see other lessons that are 8, 9, 10, 12, 15 minutes long, and the shorter versions will be 2 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes. Over here is your notepad. So let's say
Any equivalent.
Let's say at 1 minute here I want to take a note. I just click on this, testing, and you can see the notepad here, testing at 1 minute, and you have your note. This is the share button. You can share on any social media or email. You can follow the video along with the full transcript here. You can also follow it via the summaries transcript, and the video will automatically change. You have the glossary, Q&A, keywords, and further reading. And the further reading part here will lead you to IslamicLibrary.com. This is a recommended reading list that we have. And on IslamicLibrary.com you can read the PDF of the books. Let's go back to curriculum here. So instead of going all the way to the front page of the site, you can find all the sections over here. either whether under special topics or core curriculum. You can click on Prophet in Islam. You see, you can find your topics and click on any of them and you'll be led to that lesson. Let's go back here. Special topics. These are more of the hot topics that are relevant to modern controversies, things that bring about a lot of discussion. God's existence, modern fallacies about God, the problem of evil and suffering, why did God create us. The same style applies as to the core curriculum. Over here you'll find our resources. Let's click on full transcript. Here you have a list of all of the full transcripts that are on the site. And if you wish to download one of them, you can download it and you'll get one of the transcripts via PDF format, and you can print it out or save it on your computer and share it with friends. The same goes for the summary transcripts, Q&A, further reading, summary videos, full videos. Here you'll find our external links. Over here is Q&A with a Muslim scholar. Here we have a Q&A with Maulana Nabi Reza Abidi of the Sabah Islamic Center. Here you can go under any topic or any category. Here you can post a question and Maulana Abidi will come and answer your question. And again, you can always share, send a message. You can share right over here. You can like, send a message, send a message. This is where you add the post. You can add your question. Here's our message board for announcements. And over here you'll find our flashcards. The flashcards, each topic will have its own flashcards. Either it's as a Q&A, right, or as a glossary. You see, you can download these, print these to help you learn more about Islam. Try to remember things, practice it with your friends, right, so you don't forget. You can also share these flashcards. Just find whatever section you want, click on any of them, and then you'll get all the flashcards. You could either choose the Q&A or the glossary. Let's try the Q&A. See, here we're on Islamic relationships, sects, and conflicts. And go to, see here, you get the Q&A. Can I be punished in the afterlife if I don't perform my religious obligations? Yes. We try to give answers as simply as possible. What is Jihad al-Asghar? It is the minor jihad, right? It is defending oneself or one's community against warring aggressors. This is the end of our tutorial. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.